Hello, Jake with Jake's Under Pressure Power Washing. I'm just going to shoot a little video to follow the one that I'm going to post up behind this one. I just left the gentleman's house. He called us about 2 weeks ago to come and give him an estimate on stripping his decks and porches and staining them. Well, last week I put up a video, something about, actually I went out there and I gave him a price quoted. And then last week I put up a video about hiring a cheap contractor, saving a couple $100, something to that nature. Well, that evening this gentleman called me, or he actually texted me, and wanted me to come out to look at his deck and all again. Well, I didn't think nothing about it, so I called this gentleman, and he had hired another contractor to come out and perform the work for him, which is fine. I tell everybody to get a couple price quotes. You sell yourself. I try to educate everybody on especially wood jobs, staining decks, fences, anything like that, because it is very tedious and it can get messed up and it can cost you thousands if it's not done correctly. Well, this gentleman called me, and he told me he had hired somebody else, and he gave me the story of what was going on, and I pretty much told him that he probably needs to fire this contractor before it gets any worse. So the gentleman took my advice, and that's what he done. And so today I went over there and I took a look at it, took a look at what was going on, and you'll see in the video following this, I'll put it up in a little bit, that contractor destroyed the deck. He destroyed the wood. When I say destroyed, it is fixable. He'd done a little bit of scarring. There's a lot of fern going on in the wood, and none of the stain was the stain wasn't taken up. So with that being said, he had already started putting another stain on top of the old stain, which it's not going to last. Maybe 6 months, it'll start popping, peeling, and this guy is out of whatever he was going to charge him. Let's just say it was $1,000 or $1,500. I'm not quite sure, but he would have been out of it. And so I met with this gentleman today, and he was he could tell that he knew he made the wrong decision, which is all of us make the wrong decisions. But my job is to try to get out and educate people as much as possible by putting these videos up and pictures and so forth and so on. That way you can see what's going on. You can see our work and read our reviews on Facebook and Google. So with that being said, I'm just going to end that with this video, kind of take a look at the deck following what the other contractor did. We did get hired to come back and fix this deck, so I will be putting up before and after, and then what this contractor did. That way you can definitely see the difference on how we do wood restoration, restoring, and staining. So with that being said, you folks have a good day, and if you need anything, exterior cleaning, staining, anything to that nature, give us a call, 804-898-1931, and be sure to check out all of our pictures and videos. Thank you. Okay, this is what's been happened. They have stripped this deck. Well, it's not stripped. It's not professionally done correctly. There's still stain left over, and he's already started to stain over top of it. As you can tell, see all that stain that's left over? All the stain that's on the pickets. Oh, it's just, I feel sorry for the guy. This is why we try to educate people. This deck floor is not stripped. They're using a Cabot stain. As you can tell, see all the stain that's still on there. done the top of the porch too. Yeah, this is really, really bad. Still have all that stain that's left over. So they've already done the pickets here, which is terrible job. Terrible. So again, we've been called out here to see if we can fix this mess. I'll take you around to the side porch too. See all the stain that's still left over? Alright, here's the side porch as well. Same thing. Still have stain on it. It's all stain that's still on here. So this contractor was going to stain over top of this. This is definitely not definitely not the way to do it. As you can see in all my videos and pictures, we strip it all the way down. We do a 3-step process. You can see all of our wood pictures are bare wood with no scarring. They've dug into it. You can see the fur in it. You can see where they've nicked all the wood up, because they just use just a lot of pressure to try to get this off, which is, again, they don't know what they're doing. So, and none of that has even been taken off, and they're going to stain right over top of it. See all the wood that's been peeled up. Where they just used a lot of pressure, pretty much destroyed it. So yeah, I just wanted to shoot this little video on when you hire a contractor to come out and do any kind of wood restoration. That's all. I can't believe they're going to stain right over top of that. So yeah, I just want to give you a little video of